So hello friends, hope you have seen my previous lecture which is based on theory of undetermined coefficient method. There I explained what happened or how we write yp part when rx is different type function. So if you not seen, please see the previous lecture because that is very important. It will play a very important role here. Here I am going to solve some question based on that. What is the question? Y double dash plus 4y dash plus 5y is equal to 16x minus 17 e to the power 2x. Here Rx part contains algebraic and exponential both. So what is our methodology? Methodology is very simple. Your first step is write auxiliary equation and then write CF part, complementary function. How we write? The auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m plus 5 is equal to 0. What is m value? Use Shukla method. So minus 2 plus minus iota. This is your m value. What is your yc? Yc means complementary function is, because this is imaginary root, which type? Alpha plus minus iota beta type. So what is alpha value? Minus 2. So e to the power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. This is your yc part. Now we are going to write yp part. That is very important because undetermined coefficient method will come in picture in this yp. Now by undetermined coefficient method, what is yp? Here right hand side contains two parts, 16x and minus 17 e to the power 2x. For first we write for first part 16x. This is algebraic type. If you remember, if you've seen my previous lecture, x to the power n. What is n value? 1. 1 means its yp part is constant. We have to forget. So its yp part is a0 plus a1x. Correct? Because 0 when x to the power n is your rx, then just you have to check 0 is root or not. Here 0 is not a root. Correct? What is root? Minus 2 plus minus iota. So what is your yp? a0 plus a1x. Similarly, what is your second part? 17 e to the power 2x. This is e to the power px type. What we have to check? P is root or not. Here P means 2 is root. No, root is minus 2 plus minus plus iota. So 2 is not a root. So general a1. So we write a2 e to the power 2x. This is your yp. Now my friends, what is your next part? So your first step is write yc. Based on yc and rx, write yp. Just you go for table and write it. Now how we calculate a0, a1 and a2? For that purpose, just whatever yp means y is given, differentiate 2 times and put in equation number 1. So differentiate with respect to x. What we get? Y dash, which is a1 plus 2a2 e to the power 2x. Differentiate again. With respect to x, what is y double dash? 4 a2 e to the power 2x. Now yp means y only because yp also satisfies this equation, because particular integral and complementary function both are solution of given differential equation, so always it will satisfy. So this y dash and y double dash put in equation number 1. So what is your rule? Once you written yp, just calculate y dash and y double dash, and once you calculated this all, just put in given equation number 1. So what we get? What is y double dash? A1. Y double dash means 4a2 e to the power 2x. 4y dash. 4y dash means 4a1 plus 8a2 e to the power 2x plus 5y. 5y means 5a0 plus 5a1x plus 5a2 e to the power 2x. What is right hand side? So once you calculated y dash, y double dash, just put in given equation number 1. Now simplify. How we simplify? See, a0 only this, a1, 4a1. What is constant part? 4a1 plus what is x coefficient? 5a1x. What is e to the power 2x coefficient? Correct? Now compare. Compare the coefficient both sides. Once you simplify, just compare the coefficient. See, what is constant part here? 5a0 plus 4a1. Constant part is not there. It means 5a0 plus 4a1 is equal to 0. What is x coefficient here? 5a1. What is x coefficient there? 16. What is e to the power 2x coefficient here? 17a2. What is there? Minus 17. So now simplify. 17 cancel, so a2 value is minus 1. What is a1 value? 16 upon 5. What is a0 value? Minus 4a1 upon 5. It means minus 16 for the 64, 5 for the 25. This is your a0, a1, a2 value. Once you calculated all constant, just put in yp. So yp is, what is a0? A0 is minus 64 by 25. What is a1? A1 is 16 by 5x. What is a2? Minus a to the power 2x. This is your yp. Hence, solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Just, this is your yp, this is your yc, add both. So my friends, again I am going to explain the rule. Friends, rule is very simple. First write auxiliary equation and then write CF part. Once you have written CF part, just see the table, see the Rx value, which type. Based on Rx value given, write yp part. Once you written yp part, calculate y dash, y double dash and put in given equation and compare both the sides coefficients. Once you compare the coefficient, definitely you will get the values of all constant which is required. Once you get the constant, just put the values of constant in yp and your yp is there. So hopefully you easily understand this type things, and in next video I will solve some more questions.